Hey everyone, it's Nails by Riss here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a new nail art tutorial. Stay tuned. We are starting out by filing to the desired shape. In this case, I am shaping it to more of a rectangle. Now I'm buffing the nail and then brushing off any of the excess dust before I apply my first gel polish coat. I'm going in with a base tan color and curing it with my LED light. I did a second coat of the tan base color and cured it off camera. Now I'm going in with green gel polish. I'm starting about halfway up the sides and pulling it down towards the center to create an arrow look. I'm going over this area one more time to make sure the color is pigmented all the way through. I could have put a clear coat on over the green and tan and let it be just like this, but I wanted to add something a little bit more, so as you can see, I started by taking a small nail brush and going in with white gel polish. Once I got the desired thickness of the white, I cured it in my LED lamp. Now I am going over everything with a glossy top coat, curing in my light as well. This is how the final look for my arrow nail design turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.